Imagine going from this to this. One of you requested that I review this green screen mask, and I thought it sounded like fun, so let's get into it. Now here's what you get. It kind of does have a bit of a face shape. You can see where the nose is, and you can see where it kind of goes around the back of your head. Now it's a decently thick material, and it is really well stitched, so I believe this will hold up really well. And the key piece is this color, as it's a very unique color that the computer can accurately recognize and then help you alter, either by making it invisible or really doing whatever you want. Now, you could cut out eyes or a mouth in this mask, or you can just put it on and then do what you want. And before I put it on, I want to point out that I am not a green screen expert by any means, but I do know that lighting matters a lot, so I will be curious how well this works, as I don't have perfect lighting right now. In general, the less shadows the better. The more consistent this color is, the cleaner it will be. But let's put this on. It's pretty tight, and here's what it's like on. Gonna spin around for you. Now I could easily just take some video of my background and have that as a background behind this, or I could actually have a green screen behind me, and then you could do a whole lot with this. But as you can see, I no longer have a head. Pretty cool. And the key piece with this is editing. You will want a good video software editing tool. I use Filmora Wondershare. It works great for me. It's really simple and clean, but CapCut will work great too, as will the incredible Adobe products. But the main things you want is just a tool that will make this transparent, and then the ability to add layers so you can add that background layer. Really fun.